Welcome friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share the recipe of pakoras with all of you because it is Ramadan, so I think that I must share it. So for making pakoras we need white first of all I am going to show you the vegetables which you need to add in it. The required vegetables are potatoes. I have peeled them, they are not boiled. And then second thing is onion, tomatoes, a tomato, and green chili if you want to add them. I have used the old ones. They are not today's because they are not much bitter and sour, and I have cut them off and smelled to check them. So now I will chop them into slices. You will cut the potatoes into 4 slices like this and then chop it finely. And friends, now I have chopped green chili, tomato and onion as fine as you can, and same you will have to do. And if you want to add spinach, then you can add it and chop it in a same. I also have chopped the potatoes, you can see this very fine. Now I am going to add black gram powder. It is also known as besan, and you can get it from different grocery stores. Almost 1 big cup. I am adding it into a bowl, this, and now almost 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, but you can add as much as you can. Now I will add all the vegetables, and you can add the vegetables which you want to add, such as spinach, onion, tomato or potato, like this. And you can even add parsley and capsicum in this. It will also taste and much better and increase. If you want to enhance the taste of your pakoras, then you can add both of them, and spinach also, but I don't have it now. And as you know, I am in my village, and all these sort of things are not available at a moment. So as I want to share this video with you, so I am using and making it with all the available items. Now I will add water. I have taken almost 1 cup of water, and I will add it slowly and going to mix it very well. Friends, don't add the water all at once. Keep on adding and mixing it in a small amount. As I am going to tell you that I have used this big cup of besan or black ground flour, and I have used, so I only just needed or added half cup of this water, so you can have to check it. So friends, now I will place the oil in a frying pan on a stove to become heat or heat it up, and I will pour them one by one, or even 6 to 7 as size of your pan. So I will show you. And friends, the batter will look like this. Now I am going to place the batter in the bowl. We will place all the pakoras in this frying pan by using a spoon. I am going to use it for taking out all the pakoras from the frying pan, whatever you say it in your language, I don't know. So friends, I am frying them in a pan. Almost one side is ready. Now I will change the direction and show you when I will place them in a tray or a plate. Okay, but the important thing is that they smell very nice and strong. I love their smell. You can also like it if you will make it. So I am also enjoying outdoor cooking I not used to cook. Mostly my mother almost cook for all of us, but today I wanted to prepare pakoras and decided to share this recipe with all of my YouTube viewers and my friends, all of you. And if you also want to enjoy outdoor cooking in a village, so like me, go to your village, because today nowadays there is coronavirus all around us, and we will enjoy our great life and free time in village. So living in a village is a great blessing. There is no rush and hurry. Everyone is living daily routine life. Villages are not mostly affected by coronavirus. Their life is going on. They have latest few days ago harvested. We also have harvested our crop of wheat, and everyone is deciding about what crop they will have to grow in for the next season, because all the lands are empty. So the crust of the matter is that village life is a great blessing. If you have villages, so visit them. Okay friends, now my recipe is ready. It smells very strong and nice, and I am feeling very hungry. My appetite is increasing. So I hope you will also like this recipe. Allah Hafiz, take care, have a blessed Ramadan, stay blessed. May you all and we all stay safe and blessed from this coronavirus during the whole holy month of Ramadan. Kindly share this recipe as much as you can, and tell me about your review and comment review through the comment section, and share this video, like my video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Allah Hafiz, take